Welcome, guys. I'm just really excited. Why? Because blockchain is finding its use from platforms like Steemit to DTube to Bounty0x. Blockchain is actually getting use cases all over the place, and we'll be talking about that. So one of the platforms I've been pushing is since yesterday is Bounty0x. So this is a platform where you can actually complete little tasks and you can actually get rewarded. In the future, it's going Bounty. So I'll drop my link below. If you're interested, you want to sign on with my link, you can actually sign under my link. Now, another news I have with you now is ETHlend. So you already know ETHlend is a blockchain project or cryptocurrency project that helps with blockchain to blockchain loans. So maybe you have your particular cryptocurrency and you want to participate in an ICO and you don't want to sell it. So what do? You loan this coin and then you can actually participate. And they borrow you Ethereum that you can use to participate in an ICO or whatsoever. And it's a very unique model. Now they are going beyond you just exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. They are seeking to now go and get license that they can be using to extend to fiat currency. And always note these platforms like this, they are the platforms that are going to. So they want to start providing finance for the euro, US dollars, and the British pounds, and they want to expand into Europe. The 32 countries in Europe, as you can see. These are the countries: Belgium, Bulgaria, and other. I'll drop a link in the article below so you can actually read it up. And then there is a lot of talk over nOS, smart internet for the smart economy. This is the first virtual operating system for a new transparent internet powered by the new smart economy. Now, I've not really done my research on this platform, but it has been making a lot of buzz. But you can definitely keep your eye on it. Now, there is something I've discovered about Neo. Neo has been bringing a lot of stuff on the board, and you want to pay attention to a platform like that. So, even before I do my own review on Neo, or on this nOS, you want to actually pay attention to a platform like this. And there is an article that I saw out there that talks about that cryptocurrency exchanges are actually charging from $50,000 to $1 million to actually list a coin. And from the study, if you read the article, that is way more higher than crypto, the traditional blockchains, the traditional financial market, which is not really a good one. But though there were regulations that were coming and all that, but let's see where the future goes. But I strongly believe that the future will be with platforms like it's not really. I'm not really confident about. I'm not saying these are my predictions and all that, but just wait that decentralized exchange are the future. So the platforms that are involved with atomic swaps, platforms like Komodo, you want to really pay attention to that. I'll talk about Komodo. Platforms like Airswap, platforms like 0x. Sorry, 0x. That can actually enable you to do some kind of swaps and all that. You want to pay attention to platforms like this. So the future is going to be decentralized, where you can actually come. There will be some protocols. You don't even need to have an exchange. You can swap one coin for another, and that is where the future is actually going into. And then let's talk about the future of crypto. Now, I want to talk about the future of crypto in from three aspects: the issue of lending, the issue of invoicing, and then the issue of payment. And I'll start the series. Then the next series will be on investment. investment protocols, and then social media. I'll be covering this series, and another one will be using platforms like Steam, status, minds.com, yours.org, maybe email marketing platforms like n.com. So it's a series I'll be doing. So what is the future of crypto for lending? blockchain these times there are a lot of things are going to actually change, because many people actually come into the space with a lot of ideas. You see platforms like Celsius Network, you see platforms like NEXOBANK, you're seeing platforms like short lending, ETHlend. Now, guys, it's time to actually start for us to start using these platforms. Now, there is a lot of stuff that a lot of people are very concerned about, like what is the next platform? Oh, what is the next stock of investment? Yeah, if we are actually investing, we invest in this, and then the next time we sell it, we invest in this. The next time we sell it, we invest in it. The next time we sell it, we invest in it. And that is all we do. Just investing. It's not really a good idea. And bubble happens when speculation contributes to the price of stocks. But when speculation outweighs or outpaces utility, then it's the wrong case. So if we are talking about Celsius Network, short lending, ETHlend, and Nexo, if we talk about these platforms after we've invested, or maybe we did not invest, let's start using these platforms. When you have crypto, rather than you go to the bank and borrow money, you start using you lend your crypto out to these platforms. Very good. So the future also with issues like platforms like Paypie and populuos. So these are the future. You want to really pay attention to that for blockchain invoicing and other. And then another platform I want to talk about is Utrust. So those that are involved with online, though there are many cryptocurrencies that seeks to be involved with online payments, you have Utrust, you have COTI, you have Ripple Labs, and all that. Let's see where blockchain goes this year and all that. So what this platform is seeking to do, they want to bring in a part where you can pay for anything with cryptocurrency. You know, currently it's very, very hard to pay with cryptocurrency. Like for issues like, okay, what about if you pay for something and you don't get the service, right? Or stuff like volatility and all that. So there are many problems to the adoption of crypto. Platforms like Utrust, they want to solve such problem. Platforms like COTI, they want to solve such problem. Ripple, working with banks and other stuff, they're seeking to solve such problems. So guys, always be safe out there. Check up Bounty Network. Check up n.com. Google just Coinbase just acquired them, just cashed out. So far you can see my history, 41 and all that. So I'll drop my link below. You can actually sign up. This is a platform you can read up this article about n.com. So I will drop my link below. You can feel free to sign up under my link, or you may choose not to sign up under my link. So guys, it's time to start using blockchain. Whether it's in the area of lending, start lending your crypto out for fiat or for that crypto. If you have businesses or you know of businesses, you can actually start using blockchain invoicing and all that. And then payments. So before we end this video, we'll have a platform like Nexo. So Nexo, they are an offshoot of creditssimo. So they want to offer, they are in the lending domain. So you can actually you can apply for a job and be an ambassador and all that. So this is the terms of the job. This is everything about the job. And if someone apply maybe through your link and all that, you can spread the word to people. I will drop my link below. You can actually apply through my link. If you've not applied, you can choose to. Someone you could get reward, or you as a person you could actually get you could be hired and all that. And then there are platforms like crypto jobs. Cryptocurrency is not just investment and crypto jobs. There are this, you can come to, I'll put on the link below. You can come to crypto jobs and start working. Apply for a job here and get one job and start doing, right? So guys, thank you for your support so far. If you like this video and you see this video has been very, very helpful, share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye.